Hi, this is Marianne Schultz, and this is a look at the Quirky PowerCurl. The PowerCurl is a power cord organizer for portable Macs. It comes in several different colors and sizes to work with the power bricks of the different Mac laptops. The colors available are blue, green, gray, and orange. What I have here is the 45-watt size for the MacBook Air in orange. The PowerCurl is very reasonably priced. It costs $14.99. I'll put a link to the Quirky store where you can buy them in the video description here on YouTube and also on my site, marianneschultz.com. The PowerCurl is a soft touch, somewhat flexible plastic, and it is very, very easy to use. So here on the other side you can see these cutouts for the cord, and what I'm going to do is I've got the power adapter for my MacBook Air right here. And I'm just going to pop this right in here. And that's it, it's in. And then you can see here that it has some dividers here. So what I can do is on this thinner side is I can wrap the cord. Oops, getting a little tangled up here at my feet. I can wrap this around. There we go. And then I can use the little clip here that comes with the power cord, because there's a little cutout that makes it easier to get to snap this on. So that side's all wrapped in. And then on the other side, I can do the same thing. And the one extra accessory that comes with the PowerCurl is this little orange clip here. It comes in a matching color, so you can, and it mimics the one that already comes on the power cord here that I just demonstrated. So I can clip this end onto the cord and that stays put. And that's it. The PowerCurl is, again, really easy to use. It's one of my favorite accessories. It's a permanent staple in my gear bag. I rarely travel without this extension cord. I know a lot of people do, but I go to coffee shops, I go to conferences, and usually the short portion, or I should say the thinner cord here, that section alone is never enough for me, never long enough for me when I get to a coffee shop or wherever to power my Mac and reach an outlet. So I always carry the extension, and the PowerCurl just keeps it all organized for me, and I think it's great. I think excellent. I've never taken it off. I see no need to. It's again, it's inexpensive at $14.99. It's sturdy, useful. If you're thinking ahead to the holidays, I think it would make a great gift for any portable Mac user you know, or of course for yourself. So that's it, my quick look at the Quirky PowerCurl. I'll have a full written review of this at my site at marianneschultz.com as well. You can send any questions you have to me through my contact form on my site, and I'm also on Twitter at mschultz, that's E-M-S-C-H-U-L-T-Z, and thanks for watching.